Would you like to be able to print out your MyMathLab homework assignments to take with you? Well, you can, and I'm here to show you how. Okay, so this is my assignments, and let's say I want to take this one to work with me so I can work on it during breaks. So you click on the assignment, click on the first question. When the first question pops up, go over here to Question Help and Print. You're going to want to print the entire assignment. It's going to pull all the questions together, and then hit your print button. Pick the computer you're going to print to, and then press OK. Print out your assignment, work it at work. Let me cancel this out and close this. When you come back to do that assignment, and I want to show you, once you've entered the assignment, it was this one right here, lesson 3. If I go to Gradebook, because I entered it and I didn't do any work, it's going to show up as a 0. All right, so right now it shows up as a 0. You can do all of the work on paper that you printed it out, and then when you come back in, now you don't want to hit review and enter your correct work there. You want to go back to homework or the assignments page, go back into that assignment, click question 1, and now you can start entering your answers. Okay? All right. There you go. Hope that helps.